So in this problem, our goal will be to convert the following sum into a product. So let us begin. So first, what we'll do, we'll rearrange the terms. So first, let us consider the term cosine of 15a, and to it, we are going to add cosine of 5a. So this is going to be one sum, and this will be added to the next sum. The next sum will be cosine of 7a plus cosine of 3a. Okay, the particular reason how I chose this will become evident in a moment. Okay, so let us begin. Now here we see here that we have the sum of two cosine function. So we know that whenever we have the sum of two cosine function, it transforms as a product of two cosine functions. So this is our goal, to convert the sum into a product. So we will be using this particular transformation formula. So here we are going to treat alpha as 15a and beta as 5a. For the second sum, we will consider 7a as alpha and 3a as beta. Now the way I have written is also important here. So here I have chosen alpha, the magnitude of angle alpha, to be greater than the magnitude of angle beta, because you can see here that in the formula we have to perform an alpha minus beta. So that's now if we keep alpha to be greater than beta, so that becomes easier. Anyways, even if you take alpha to be less than beta, that's not going to be a big issue here. Okay, because we'll get then cosine of some negative angle, but we know cosine is an even function, so it's still going to be positive. Now let us begin to apply the formula. So we'll get 2 times cosine of angle. Now we have 15a plus 5a, that is alpha plus beta, so that's going to be 20a divided by 2 multiplied to cosine of angle. So we'll have 15a minus 5a, so that's going to be 10a. So we have 10a over 2. So this is the transformation for the first sum. Then we come to the next sum, cosine 7a plus cosine 3a, so that will be 2 times cosine of angle. Now we need alpha plus beta, so that's 7a plus 3a. That's going to be 10a over 2 multiplied to cosine of angle 7a minus 3a, so that's going to be 4a over 2. Right. Let's further simplify. So we now get 2 times cosine of angle, so 20a over 2, that's going to be 10a multiplied to cosine of angle 10a over 2, so that's 5a plus 2 times cosine of angle, so we have 10a over 2, so that's going to be 5a multiplied to cosine of angle 4a over 2, so that's 2a. Now we can factor out 2 times cosine of 5a from both the two terms. So we have 2 times cosine of 5a multiplied to cosine of 10a plus cosine of 2a. The reason we are able to take this common factor cosine of 5a is the way how we chose the two terms for addition. So cosine of 15a plus cosine of 5a, because we knew that if we do 15 minus 5, that's going to give us 10, and 7 plus 3, that's going to give us 10. So that in some way we can predict before even solving what will be the common factor. Okay, fine. So now we have 2 times cosine of 5a. Now we see that this is multiplied to the sum of, again, 2 cosine function. So again, we will apply the transformation formula. So this should give us 2 times, we'll have cosine of angle. So we'll treat alpha to be greater than beta, such that alpha is 10a and beta is 2a. So with 10a plus 2a, that's going to be 12a. So 12a divided by 2, that's going to give us 6a multiplied to cosine of angle. So 10a minus 2a, so that's going to be 8a. 8a over 2 is 4a. So that gives us the final value. So we have 4 times cosine of angle 5a times cosine of angle, let's take this as 6a, then cosine of angle 5a times cosine of angle 4a. So this is going to be the corresponding product. So we have successfully converted the sum cosine 3a, cosine 5a plus cosine 7a plus cosine 50a into a product, which is given by 4 times cosine of 6a times cosine of 5a times cosine of 4a.